Good morning. It is a beautiful Friday here in Western Washington. For today's pick for penny stocks to watchtoday.com, we're adding another company to our watch list that we've been sharing with our listeners for the past 2 weeks. Today, the company we're adding is PCS Edventures, and its ticker symbol is PCSV, and Edventures is spelled EDVENTURES, as in Education Ventures. And education is what this company is about. They've created a curriculum and a process for the STEM, that's STEM, education model. And STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And it does a lot of hands-on things, allows children and students to work directly with projects, as in with engineering. They'll actually build things or create robots, build robots, find and learn about the mechanics of the actual items, and instead of just reading about it. And it's a pretty up and coming, and it's been around, and I'm sure you've heard it. The military is beginning to use it in their Department of Defense school system. The all over the world, private schools and are using it as a curriculum, because it really teaches in a way that children retain. And not only that, it teaches what is relevant to today's world, as in technology and programming, electronics, and robotics and all this stuff. Anyway, PCS Edventures is the name of the company. And they're sitting right now, the stock price is sitting at about 4 cents, 4 3/4. And they've been dipping from 5 to 10, 11 cents, 5, 10, 11 cents. So right now it's a perfect buying time. Of course, they usually don't trade in high volumes, but you could take $300 or $400 and double it, and that kind of thing. And it's on our watch list. So if you're listening and you're building your watch list up, put them on your watch list. Do some due diligence. They've been around for quite a bit in the last years or two. They've been showing a lot of positive growth. Of course, if you look at their finances, like any other companies, you got to dig a little deeper than just looking at those numbers sitting on top of the page, because you'll see a lot of negative numbers with a lot of these penny companies. But if you look at, let's say this year its revenue is negative 1,000, right? But you got to look back. Check out their 2013, 2012, 2011. Because if you see that it was in 2011 negative 10,000, and then 2012 negative 4,000, and then 2013 annual report shows negative 1,000. Well, you got yourself a company that's growing by leaps and bounds. Developmental companies, penny stocks. Don't wait till they're a big company to invest in them. It's too late. You can still make some profit, but penny stocks are about taking that little flush fund that you have set aside and seeing if you can make it match your portfolio. Does it happen every day? Hardly. Can it happen? Absolutely. What are the odds? Well, it's kind of like the lotto. The more you play, the better your odds. But unlike the lotto, there's never just one winner when these companies blow up. There's usually however many investors are following about a particular company. I mean, is it a wonder that in the past 10 years there's become more millionaires have came out of the woodwork, more rags to riches stories than anyone could ever fathom in the history of our economy? And it's crazy. I mean, there's more people out there. So I guess statistically, if you look at a population ratio, it's not that big a deal. Still about the same, 1%. But I tell you what, if you're listening to this, you're in that 1% that's, given the opportunity. And this may be the opportunity. It may be PCSB. It may be FARAE. It may be ECOB. It could be any penny stock. As long as you know the company behind it, you know the market behind it, you know the supply demand, where they are, and are they disrupting something? Are they alleviating a pain? What are they doing? Don't just buy the stock. Know the company. And have an awesome weekend. Man, it's a great time to live in Washington today. It's an awesome day. You guys take it easy. Go fishing. Go hunting. Learn to throw knives. Do something awesome. Spend time with your kids and family. Love your God. And God bless America.